Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on Vivo Garage. Today's a little bit different of a video, and I'm actually at the boat launch. But I'm at the boat launch for a specific reason, and well, it's hard to say, but it's time to let both jet skis go. So I'm here with the potential buyer. We'll see if he ends up buying it or not, but we're gonna get these things launched out on there. He's gonna take it for a test drive, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. All right, well, after lots of negotiation, we closed the deal. He's not picking them up till tomorrow, so we're just gonna go and have a little fun on them for one last time. So here goes. All right, we are on the water. Just getting out of the no wake zone here. Probably shouldn't have wake. But yeah, no, I guess this is a good time to talk about why I wanted to sell them. Just lack of use, really. I think I got more enjoyment out of building these things than I did riding them. As you can probably tell in some of the videos I've created, I just don't have a lot of riding content. But I think I'm ready for another project. And that's what selling these is going to allow me to do. So we're leaving the no wake zone here. So I'm going to take off here. Woo! Oh, I will miss this though. All right, I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna do a speed run. Might as well. I think I got one last time, but it didn't really go that well. So I'm gonna get an actual speed run, which you'll see here next. Oh, I got the sun on the background, but yeah, no, that was great. At this point I recorded, I don't know how fast I was going. So, I have no idea, but it felt fast. I'm going to say it was in the 50s. So there goes, yeah, there goes the goat ski. She's going too. It's hard to believe they're going to be sold. But I'm going to go into shore and let my buddy Luke take this STX-R out because he has yet to really ride it. Got the STX-R back there, Luke's on it, I'm on the goat. I got a loaner life vest because the one I brought don't fit. It's my wife's, but well, we're gonna go take these things out one last time and be done. Woohoo! That is hard to do while filming. I'm just holding my iPhone. But as you can see, we counted down. We both hit the throttle at the same time and he just took off on that STX-R. It is a lot faster, but I tried to get a glimpse. Speedometer on this at 55 and he was going faster. So yeah, that was awesome. Well, we are off to go meet the new owners, drop off the skis. He's going to give me the money and titles over and all that. So here we go. Away we go. All right, well, we have got them sold. So there they are. They are trailered up and leaving with their new owner. Hopefully they enjoy them as much as we did. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap this video up. I will be doing some new projects. I just don't know when, because, well, I've got to find one now. So yeah, drop a comment below what you guys think. I know this, for my followers, this may be kind of a surprise, but I don't know. Yeah, until next time, see ya.